So now let's see how we can work around with blending modes inside of Pixlr Designer. So over here you can see that I have this particular layer and this layer, and they are all opaque, meaning if I were to go around and place it on top of another layer, then you don't see anything in specific happening. They are not transparent either. But let's say what I want to do is I want the layers to behave more like light or ink so that they mix up with the background. So I'm just going to go around and take this layer just like this, and then right click on the layer right here. Once I do that, over here you can see that blend mode is an option right now and it is set to none. So if I were to go around and click right here and click on multiply, then what happens is that it acts like ink, meaning the white actually becomes transparent and the dark darkens out the other color behind, as you can see right here. Similarly, if you were to go to screen, then it acts more like a light, so that the white areas actually light up everything else and the black areas act more transparent, as you can see. Similarly, you can go around and choose different sort of blending modes as you like right here. Like for darken, it acts more like ink again. So you can go for lighten right here, or color dodge right here, just like this. You can go for color blend, and these are the different blending modes that you can work with. Difference is when it cancels out the color and you get the negative color out. There's exclusion, as you can see. There's even hue, as you can see, which changes out the hue of the color according to what you have. There's saturation, which makes the makes areas more colorful, as you can see right here. You can go for color right here, which brings out the color only. You can go for luminosity, alpha erase right here, so it's more like a transparent erase over here. And there's masking as well, so that it masks out the entire area, so you can only see the particular layer area right here. So this is how the blending modes work inside of Pixlr Designer, and you can get the effect that you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.